Rise and Shine House of Elevation family, welcome back to our journey through the seven reconciliations. Today we are on reconciliation number 6, which is war to peace. War represents conflict, division, and even hate. It is the inner and outer struggle that disrupts our lives. But peace is love, harmony, and alignment. Peace transforms the chaos and brings us into a place of calm where love and understanding reign. War comes in many forms, whether it's conflict with others or an internal battle within ourselves. It is the energy of disruption, fear, or hate. But peace is the divine state where love, understanding, and harmony flow freely. It is the power to move beyond the struggle and into a space of reconciliation. In John chapter 14, verse 6, Jesus says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. This affirmation speaks directly to this reconciliation. Jesus shows us that peace is found by following the way of truth and life. When we choose love over hate, peace over war, we align with our divine path, the way of love and truth. To apply this principle, reflect on the areas of your life where you experience war, whether that's external conflict or internal unrest. Then choose the way of peace. Choose love over hate. Peace is a decision, a conscious shift that moves you from disruption to harmony. By following the way of peace, you align with the divine's truth and life. So the affirmation, I am the way, the truth, and the life, calls us to follow the path of peace in every moment. Peace is the way, peace is the truth, and peace is the life that Jesus offers us. It transforms war into love, hate into harmony, and chaos into divine order. So House of Elevation family, today, embrace the reconciliation from war to peace. Choose to let go of conflict and align with the energy of love and harmony. Speak the affirmation, I am the way, the truth, and the life, as a reminder that peace is the divine path you are meant to follow. Stay grounded in your love, in your peace. Keep walking in your peace and love, and continue to elevate through the power of divine harmony. I love you. I love me. I love us. I love God. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and see y'all tomorrow.